This exam application tutorial is on covalent bonding. The question for 3 marks: explain why water is a liquid at room temperature but carbon dioxide is a gas. In other words, how does the strength of intermolecular forces affect a chemical's boiling point? Now, this word gets misused a lot. Only use this word when describing boiling points of simple covalent molecules. Nothing else, not ionic compounds, not giant covalent structures, just simple covalent molecules like water and carbon dioxide. So firstly, water has stronger intermolecular forces. That's why I've drawn these lines here. They're bigger and it looks like it's a stronger force of attraction than carbon dioxide. Then you must specify stronger than carbon dioxide. So it has a higher boiling point. So you can see as I start to increase the temperature, carbon dioxide starts to vibrate and it quickly overcomes its force of attraction. The intermolecular forces are overcome and it separates out. And now it's a gas. But water is still a liquid because of the strong intermolecular forces. As I start to increase temperature, they start to basically get more energy, move around, but until we get to 100 degrees Celsius, we haven't got enough energy to overcome that force of attraction. Now we're at 100 degrees, easily overcome, and water will boil and evaporate. So water has stronger intermolecular forces than carbon dioxide, so it has a higher boiling point.